I'm sitting here today at PRI. I'm at the Spring Tool booth, and I'm going to turn you around here for Brian Turpin. He's going to give you a quick demo, and we're going to talk about the Spring Tool.
Hi, Brian Turpin, Spring Tools. Our first product that we have is our stamp ID kits. It comes in a 3/16 and a 1/4 inch. If you can see the stencil on the side of the letter, that's how it'll appear to you. Just pull back, let go. You have a great letter. You only need that much room. You aren't swinging a hammer in it. Great for tight spaces. The next tool that we have is our impact driver. It comes with this handle, all the tips, and adapters for sockets and regular size tip adapters. If you have a stripped or stuck screw, put it on there, hammer it in a couple times. It's going to start recoiling the screw head as well as giving it that 5,000 pounds of shock to break the threads free. Then you can back it out. Next tool we have is our 4-piece metalworking kit. We've got our self-centering tool. This retracts into the tapered head. So you can use it for setting hardware or use it as a transfer punch. Then we have a couple center punches. They both work the same way. If you have a little job that's broken right here, you can just pull back a little, not glazing off ceramic tile before you drill through it. The other side, you have a lot more mass coming down. You can mark Hardox 450 or anything else with it. You have complete control over how hard you want to hit. Then we have a chisel used for shearing off rivets and screw heads and stuff.
Okay.
Then we have our 5-piece set that includes everything that's in the 4-piece set, except you have a ping hammer as well. It's flat on one side, rounded on the other, so you'd use it anywhere you'd use a ball peen hammer. Next set is our heavy duty set. This produces 5,000 pounds of punch compared to the 3,500 pounds of punch with the 5/16 tool. These are all 7/16. This is the self-centering 7/16 punch, a larger chisel, a center punch, and a tapered punch.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, I appreciate you going through it all.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it too, James.
Hey, thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate y'all watching this video. Make sure to check out some of my other videos. This video was from back in December, so trying to get caught up with some stuff, and I figured y'all might want to see this one. There'll be a video coming up later reviewing these punches. Thank you. Take care.